Sources of human capital. What is human capital? Human capital is a quantification of the economic value of a worker's skill set. This measure builds on the basic production input of labor measure, where all labor is thought to be equal. The concept of human capital recognizes that not all labor is equal and that the quality of employees can be improved by investing in them. The education, experience, and abilities of employees have economic values for employers and for the economy as a whole. Economist Theodore Schultz first invented the term human capital during 1960s to reflect the value of human capacities. Sources of human capital formation. Other than the investment in education, there are some additional sources too, which are regarded as important in human capital formation. They are investment on health beside education, life job professional training, migration and job prospect and other educational training information. As the source of human capital formation, the health facilities and services, broadly conceived to include all expenditure that affect the life expectancy, strength and stamina, and the vigor and vitality of the people. Secondly, in the on-the-job trainings, including 8-type apprenticeships, as organized by several firms, the companies want to develop their human capital viewing the ways of enhancing production at the completion of requisite training. Migration of trained laborers and the importance of information. Many young people migrate to cities in search of prospects and jobs, and sometimes the technically qualified people migrate to developed countries for better prospect. The betterment in their lives is proved far greater than the cost of their migration. On the other hand, the expenditure being done for acquiring information relating to the labor market is also a source of human capital formation.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.